नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the data visualization, part 1. Topics to be covered in this session are: what is data visualization, history of data visualization, and what is data visualization, why is data visualization important. Now come to the data visualization. Data visualization is basically the presentation of data in a pictorial or graphical format, and it enables decision makers to see analytics which is presented visually. Okay, so they can grasp difficult concepts or identifying new patterns. So with interactive visualization, you can take the concept a step further by using technology to drill down into charts and graphs for more detail, interactively changing what data. Now come to the history of data visualization. The concept of using pictures to understand data has been around for centuries, from maps and graphs in the 17th century to the invention of the pie chart in the early 1800s. So there are several decades later, one of the most cited examples of statistical graphics occurred when Charles Minard mapped Napoleon's invasion of Russia. So the map depicted the size of the army as well as the path of Napoleon's retreat from Moscow, and tied that information to temperature and time scales for a more in-depth understanding of the event. So you can say it's a technology, however, that's truly lit and fire under data visualization. So computers made it possible to process large amounts of data at lightning fast speeds, and today's data visualization has become a rapidly evolving blend of science and art that is certain to change the corporate landscape over the next few years. Now come to the why is data visualization important. Data visualization is of course very important thing because of the way the human brain processes information. Using charts or graphs to visualize large amounts of complex data is easier than poring over spreadsheets or reports. So the data visualization is a quick, easy way to convey concept in the universal manner, and you can experiment with different scenario by making slight adjustments. So you can say data visualization can also identify areas that need attention or improvement, clarify which factor influence customer behavior, help you understand which products to place where, and predict sales volume. Now this is a question for practice. What is data visualization and why it is important? Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.